Eddywise delivers innovative NDE solutions. It includes different OEM and turnkey solutions for advanced industrial inspection needs. Our core offering is a modular, fully integrated inspection line, featuring eddy current and ultrasonic systems, grade sorting, and dimension measurement, all designed to ensure real-time quality control. EddyLine II, our premier stationary eddy current instrument, is designed to empower integrators with surface defect detection and precise I/O sorting capabilities. This device serves as the intelligent core of your testing sections, utilizing Industry 4.0 protocols to share real-time data directly with your MES for comprehensive automotive reporting and process optimization. For facilities seeking plug-and-play solutions, our turnkey sections and modules integrate precise mechanical alignment, high-resolution defect detection, and automated routing. It is suitable for different product types and applications, including weld seam defect detection during production, along with automated marking and sorting capabilities. To support these complete inspection requirements, Eddywise provides a comprehensive range of accessories, including profile coils, rotary solutions, precision probes, and holders. Custom sensors are engineered for demanding applications, alongside the Titan gauge, which delivers precise coating thickness measurements on any metal. To ensure precise handling, Eddywise turnkey solutions utilize adjustable tables and pinch rolls that are fully managed by our control and electrical panels. Precise encoder, marker, mag, and demagnetization unit finish the perfect system. Safety-critical components demand rigorous quality assurance. Eddywise integrates non-destructive eddy current testing and material grade sorting to facilitate 100% integrity verification. Supported manufacturing components include tappets, screws and bolts, camshafts, crankshafts, piston pins, valve trains, ball pins, bearing rings, CV joints, and others. VIVA is also suitable for raw material inspection. For automatic grade sorting, our solutions accurately detect material mix-ups by monitoring conductivity and permeability, helping manufacturers ensure consistent material quality. Eddywise eVision delivers non-contact dimension measurement, providing real-time diameter and ovality monitoring at up to 1,000 measurements per second. With cold static, hot static, rotary, and profile configurations, the system utilizes water-cooled designs for harsh hot rolling conditions. It seamlessly integrates with existing manufacturing execution systems and eddy current units to ensure high-speed quality assurance. Want to learn how our NDT solutions can improve your production line? Reach out to our team for a custom consultation or technical inquiry. Eddywise, innovative NDE solutions.